Hi viewers, welcome back to Classic Cookery. I'm Harita. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make avocados flat bread. So let's get started. So here is the tip, like when you are buying avocados, when you open the cap, if it sees green color, the avocado is very good. So if you see brown color, it shows like it's going to be spoiled in a few days. Or if you see other than brown or any green color, it means it's completely spoiled, it's ruined, so just throw away. So first here I'm using two medium size avocados I'm using here today. You can use one large avocado. So in total we need 1 cup of avocado paste, and we need 4 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. In place of parsley you can substitute like cilantro or mint leaves, or you can use little herbs, but make sure that it should not overcome avocado's flavor. Try to add little flavors, I mean to say. So I just added finely chopped parsley to 3 tablespoons, and now I am adding one half lime, freshly squeezed lime juice. So add enough salt and now mix it all together very well. So once we finish after mixing everything very well, now I am going to use one whole garlic, like big size whole garlic. One is enough. So just take one grater and just grate it finely and mix together everything very well again. So garlic, like it gives nice flavor with avocado. You don't need to add ginger. If you add everything, as I told already, it suppresses the flavor and overcomes all the flavor from avocados. You don't feel that you are eating avocados flatbread. So here now I am using whole wheat flour. So in place of whole wheat flour, you can use almond flour, or you can use gram flour or chickpea flour as well, or you can use like 1:1 ratios. Is up to you. You don't need to use all like whole wheat flour or everything, almond or everything like chickpea flour. You can take ratios 1:1. So for this recipe here, for 1 cup of avocado paste, I have added like almost completely in total 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. So you don't need to add any water. So just mix it with avocado paste, and so just start kneading avocado paste and all the whole wheat flour together and try to make a dough. So if you think it is little harder to make a dough, you can add a little water at the end. You see, I just added like 1 tablespoon of water, and just knead it very nicely and make a dough. You are done. So now our dough is ready. Just wrap it in a cling wrap or any sandwich cover. Just keep it inside and just cover it and just sit it down for the room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to keep it in the So after 15 minutes, just take your dough. So I just kept it in the refrigerator like more than like 15 minutes, maybe it's around like 20-25 minutes approximately. Since I keep the fridge because the weather is very hot here, it's 100 above, like 1 or 2 here in California. So according to your weather, you can keep it outside or inside, it's up to you. So after like after 15 to 20 minutes, take your dough and start rolling like this. So just dust some flour on table and start rolling the dough on top of the flour. And now just for make it easier, I am going to split the dough in 2 parts, and I am going to make like small rolls. So you just watch the video here, follow the video and just try to make on your own. Is very easy. So once after kneading the dough again, just start splitting into small partitions. And now just start rolling in your palms, between your palms, like make a small ball, and just complete the same procedure with all the remaining dough. If you don't want to use all the dough right away, you can store it in the refrigerator for 1 day. You can use it tomorrow. Since we are added avocado paste, I don't suggest to keep it more long in our refrigerator. So regular dough you can keep it 2 to 3 days, but this avocado paste dough, I don't suggest to keep it longer than 1 day. So now take each partition and start rolling it the way how I am showing in this video. So you have to take one rolling pin and start rolling. Like you have to apply the pressure only on the edges, not in the center. You have to remember this point always. When you are trying to make roti, you have to apply the force or pressure like only on the edge part, not in the center. So if here we added because of the avocado paste, the roti will be very delicate. It will rip off if you show too much force in the center and edges. So just while you are making roti, while pressing, you have to add and dust little flour while going, and you have to complete the roti. It's okay if you don't make in a perfect circle shape, just try to make a rotis. So now take one skillet and start frying that rotis. You don't need to add too much oil, or you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or melted ghee. It goes very well with roti. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of melted homemade clarified butter I am using here. You can use whatever you are good with. So take one spatula and press it in the center while frying. While frying you have to press in the center. So while frying the roti, you have to flip both sides and just fry it both sides very well until it cooks very well. So once you finish cooking all the rotis, you are ready to serve. So once you are done, just plate it all the rotis. So when you are ready, just pile it up all the rotis one by one together in a plate and just serve with the butter. So if you are not ready to eat it right away, you can just wrap it down all the rotis in a silver foil tightly and keep it in a ziploc, and you can just keep it on the countertop. It stays all the day fresh, and you can eat a rest of the day anytime. If you like my avocado flatbread, please give it a like and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.